Namaste, friends. The devotee has faced another roadblock. The roadblock where he's basically envious of the material objects that are possessed by people around. He's intoxicated by the desire to fulfill those desires. He's harboring this seething jealousy within, where he cannot be happy for others. He's miserable, he's sad, and that takes away the consciousness of him being the soul. A cloud shrouds on his consciousness that links his soul to that of the material ego. He feels lost, he feels terribly unhappy, but he is not able to overcome this sense of jealousy that he is feeling. This sense of jealousy is springing from his attachment to the material. That attachment, which is subconsciously a result of his sense of inadequacy, incompleteness, and he believes that by amassing this material, he is going to be able to feel fulfilled. But this is a futile exercise because the cycle of desires, fulfillment, more desires, few fulfillment and few non-fulfillment, leading to dissatisfaction, frustration. That is the only gift that his material desire can give him. And most importantly, the cloud of delusion will engulf him and he will not be able to overcome it. And this envious feeling, or the feeling of his material ego, attachment to the material, will not go away by just thinking about it. That from now onwards I will not be envious. It needs a much more deeper analysis. First of all, understanding that what he is feeling is wrong. What is it that is leading to it? Self-introspection, reading the right literature, which is very much in our spiritual text of Bhagavad Gita, of the Vedanta. Then this understanding that material attachment is the root cause of what he is feeling will come to him. The next step is to cleanse in this thought. Will that happen automatically? No. It needs a lot of discipline and self-control. And most importantly, doing the karma. Here by karma, what I mean is that unless the devotee motivates himself to do practices such as meditation, these aberrations, which is layering his soul, will not go away. So clarity as to why this is happening and understanding that how I can overcome it will only take away these unnecessary and futile exercises that he is doing mentally every moment. But the devotee has to be determined. The devotee has to be disciplined. The devotee has to be surrendering to God. Only then he will take the necessary steps to overcome this, because it is causing him pain, it is causing him frustration, despair. But we as human beings are born not to feel these emotions. We are born for far higher thoughts and actions. Let us not waste away this opportunity that this human birth is potentially capable of giving us. But unless we use our free will to push us away, to elevate ourselves from this rut, it will not go, and we will continue to be born again and to suffer again. So, my dear devotees, awake, arise, and realize your full potential. You are capable of far higher thoughts and actions than this futile ones.